Oh, hell no.
See, what had happened was I've been protective styling pretty much for the past 3, 4, 5, 6 months, 5 months. I don't even remember, y'all. Remember I was telling y'all I was not feeling myself. I was just not feeling it. I also was not feeling my hair. I tucked my hair away. I didn't take care of it. I didn't oil my scalp. A hot mess. I have a lot of product buildup. So I need a shampoo that's going to remove all the products and also deep clean my scalp. So I decided to go in with Design Essentials Oat Protein and Henna Deep Cleansing Shampoo. It removes buildup. It adds volume. And this is the first time that I'm actually trying this line. I heard it's a Black owned company, Design Essentials. I've heard about this company from so many different places and YouTubers, but I never tried it until now. So I decided it's Black History Month. And not only because of that, I've heard great things about this hairline, but so I wanted to try it for myself. This is not sponsored. I did go out and purchase these products with my own coin, so I am going to give an honest review on everything. Okay, I went in with one shampoo and rinsed that out. First shampoo did a great job with lathering. Usually it's only the second shampoo with most products, but with this one I found that it lathered right away. All right, and this is the second shampoo that I'm doing right now, making sure that I get deep into my scalp, getting rid of all the product and dandruff and just nastiness, y'all. Yeah, this is a clarifying shampoo that I'm trying today because, like I said, I needed a deep clean in my hair. Oof, you guys have no idea. Yeah. It's bad. Don't do what I did. Take care of your hair, even when you're feeling down. I didn't think it would be that long that I would be down, but yeah, I literally just put a bonnet on my head every night when I had the protective style, and I did not touch it. Did not touch my hair, y'all, until, I washed it and then protective styled again with something else. So yeah, so I'm gonna lather my hair up real good with this shampoo and then rinse it out. And this is what it's looking like. I just want to show you guys. It's so clean, squeaky clean. So the shampoo did a great job at cleaning my scalp, cleaning my hair. And yeah, I like the results so far. Okay, and my hair wasn't dry. Even though it's a clarifying shampoo, it wasn't dry at all. I actually had a little bit of moisture in there and it was squeaky clean, like I said. So yeah, I give that a thumbs up. And this is the hair that I shed from just washing my hair. All right, which wasn't too bad for shampooing from such a long time ago. All right, and this is the Rosemary and Mint Stimulating Conditioner. Now, you guys, if you don't like mint on your scalp, you know that it makes you kind of cold. When you put mint in your hair, I can't explain the feeling, but it was kind of like, ooh, okay. Well, it is a rosemary and mint stimulating conditioner. So duh. Yeah, it's for dry or thick hair. My hair was extra dry, but I liked this conditioner. It made my hair super soft. I just didn't like the feeling on my scalp too much. It was too cold on my scalp. What's the word I'm looking for? Y'all know what I'm saying. It was too pepperminty on my scalp. It stimulated my scalp. That it definitely did, but I think it overstimulated it, if that makes sense, if that's even possible. But yeah, anyway, I'm just taking section by section, working this conditioner in my hair and then detangling and also twisting it so that, it stays put and the conditioner stays in my hair. All right. And then I'm going to take a plastic bag like I always do and cover my hair up. I let this in for about 30 minutes. And right here, I'm just showing you guys the back of my hair. My hair is so soft. It looks, healthy. You guys will see later what I'm talking about. But yeah, like I said earlier, I went in with a plastic cap just to keep this in my hair for 30 minutes. And then I would take this off. 30 minutes later, as you can see, my hair is super soft. It even looks a little thicker. I'm not mad at this Design Essentials line. I feel like it added a little bit of volume in my hair. The shampoo definitely does that. And the conditioner made my hair extra soft. And I just like the results so far. So I'm going to try it again to see if I'll like it again. But like I said, I didn't care too much for the peppermint feeling, the mint feeling in my scalp. But I guess that's good for the scalp, right? I'm just going to go in here and just rinse the conditioner out. and make sure I get everything out of it. And then I went in with, what do you call these towels? It's good for your hair. Microfiber towels, I think this one is. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Yeah, so I'm in my makeup room right now. My nails. Yeah. I'm going to try the Curls Unleashed leave-in conditioner that I purchased from Amazon. I'll leave the link in my description box. This leave-in conditioner is okay. Nothing to go home and rave about. It was just fine. It was quite all right. Then I went in with heat protectant. I tried the Design Essentials Natural Agave and Lavender Blow Dry and Silk Press Collection Weightless Thermal Protective Serum. Ooh, that's a lot. That was a tongueful, right? A mouthful, mouthful, oh dear. All right. I'm like terrified of heat damage, if you guys don't know. So I go in with the lowest heat setting on my blow dryer. I've made a review and video about this blow dryer already, so feel free to check it out. We'll leave it in my description box. But this is what my hair is looking like. And as you can see, I need a trim. You can see it right there. I need a trim. Anyway, I'm going to go in with my good old Blue Magic. You guys know how I feel about this. If you don't, check out my previous videos. I'm never going to stop using this product. I'm going to use it as my styling product for today, since I already moisturized my hair and, I'm going to use this to just seal it and also as my styling product. All right. Guys, this is where it starts to get tricky because I'm like, okay, I'm assessing my hair. Now, when your hair is curly, for me, I feel like you can't really tell the health of it. I wanted to see everything. That's why I went in and blow dried it. So I'm going to do Bantu knots, 2-strand twist first, and then wrap the hair around itself. That's how I do my Bantu knots for my 4C hair. Okay. But I already know I need a trim. I'm going to do that my next wash day. I already knew that. So that's not my concern. I'm going to show you guys my concern. Oh, hell no. Lord Jesus, right there. You see? I cut my hair. When I was taking my locks out, I did cut my hair a couple times. And mind you, I had the lock style a couple of different times. I had the short ones, the long ones, the brown ones. And every time I took the locks out, I cut my hair. Just rushing and not taking my time and just pure stupidity, y'all. Look at this. It's uneven. I need to trim my ends. I'm stressed out. I work so hard on my hair to keep it healthy, and for me to make mistakes like that. Look at this. The front, I definitely cut the front by mistake. I remember, I think it was a couple of months ago when I was taking out my other locks. I definitely cut it. It's uneven. I need a trim. I need a cut. So I don't know if I should go see a professional to cut it or if I should just cut it myself. What do you guys think? Should I go ahead and do it myself? I feel like I can do it myself, but then what if I do more damage? Whatever. And guys, the reason why I love Bantu knots so much is because when your hair is not the healthiest, no one will be able to tell for the most part because it helps to blend your hair. And I just made sure to go in with that Blue Magic on my ends because, child, I need some help. I need help, y'all. I cannot believe I did this and I let my hair get this way. So yeah, I'm gonna need your help. Ride with me. I'm gonna take some Jamaican black castor oil to to oil my scalp. And I'm gonna, probably go on a black castor oil challenge, y'all. All right, so this is what my face is looking like the next day. Did my makeup, you know how to go. And yes, I do double cap when I go to sleep because I'm a wild sleeper and it usually comes out. So I always like to protect my hair with 2 scarves, just in case one fall off, I'm good with the other one. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just taking down my hair right now. And I'm like, it looks okay. This is what the curls are looking like. It looks okay, but it's not as healthy as it used to be. I know my hair. I can fake the funk. I can make it look good. I can make it look healthy, but I know I have a lot of work to do. I think I'm going to start the rice water challenge again. I'm going to go in with black castor oil on my scalp every other night, probably, just to get my hair back to healthy. And I need to trim and I need to cut those dead ends, y'all. All right. So, stay with me. All right. I'm gonna get it together. Maybe not in this video, but maybe the next couple of videos, I will get it together, y'all. And this is what it finally looks like. Like I said, I'm faking the funk right now. My hair has looked better. I don't like it. Y'all. I don't like it. Let me know what you're thinking in the comment section, guys. Please help us sister out. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for riding with me. Thank you always for tuning in. And if this is your first time, welcome. I promise you my hair will look better. Okay? If you're new here, I promise it'll look better. Just ride with me through this journey. All right? And I'm just showing you guys the back. I have longer strands. Some of my hair is longer than the other, just uneven. My Bantu knots, the curls started falling because I was sweating, and I sweat in the scalp. Just a lot going on. It was a lot going on, but I make the best of it as usual, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye.